Once upon a time, in a cozy little home filled with all sorts of comforts, there lived an endearing feline named Professor Whiskers. He wasn't your average cat. He fancied himself a philosopher, a sage of feline wisdom, always attempting to elucidate the mysteries of the universe. Today, Professor Whiskers was determined to explain the art of chasing shadows to his human companions, an activity he believed held the key to understanding life's ephemeral nature. He started his lecture in the living room, perched on a stack of books like a lectern. "You see," he began solemnly, "a shadow is like a moving snack that vanishes into thin air." At that moment, as if on cue, the shadow of a passing car created an elongated cat figure across the room. "Observe, there it goes," he meowed excitedly. In his eagerness to demonstrate, he launched himself gracefully into the air, but instead of landing like the nimble creature he believed himself to be, he tumbled onto a stray pillow, causing it to explode in a cloud of feathers. "Mistakes are bound to happen, my dear humans," he apologized, shaking the fluff off his fur with a quirked whisker. Unperturbed by the mishap, Professor Whiskers continued his overly verbose explanation. However, as he slid off the pillow, he tripped over its edge in a rather ungraceful manner. "It's all part of the learning process," he assured his spectators, trying to maintain a dignified air. As the lecture progressed, the feline sage grew increasingly flustered, occasionally lashing his tail with impatience whenever his point was dashed by another distracting shadow. Sometimes the best of intentions lead to amusing outcomes, addressing the unpredictability of life, he declaimed, eyes wide with frustration now. Each attempt to clarify his position invariably ended with him either falling or making some comedic error. He would stand, shake his head resolutely, and continue speaking, eyes blinking in disbelief, when things didn't pan out. At last, when his explanation seemed doomed to eternal confusion, Professor Whiskers laid down in defeat atop the scatter of books and feathers. "And so, my dear humans," he ruminated, furrowing his brow, "perhaps the greatest mystery of all is how one can chase shadows without falling for a pillow." His humans burst into laughter, embracing the humor and charm of their scholarly pet, who, despite all his blunders, had indeed succeeded in providing an amusing afternoon, and maybe a lesson in life's unpredictable antics.